Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites: hardware, Android version, and an app. First, open Settings and enable NFC so the phone can power the radio. Once done, launch the NFC app and grant permissions. This lets the app access the reader. Make sure your phone battery is healthy and any thick case is removed. Close proximity helps. Finally, pick a blank end tag or compatible tag. You need a writable tag to proceed. This gets you ready to detect and write. You'll now write and configure a tag step by step. In the app, choose what to write: URL for a website, text for notes, or an Android intent for actions, because each record type triggers different behaviors. Tap Write, then place the tag at the phone's NFC location and keep it steady. You'll hear or see confirmation when writing finishes. If you require security, enable password protection or lock the tag. Just know that locking is permanent, so only lock when you're sure. You're at the finish line. Test the tag in real use. Tap the tag with your phone and watch for the intended action. Give it a second for the OS to present the result. If it fails, try rewriting or erasing the tag with the app, because occasional write errors happen. Make sure permissions and NFC are still enabled, and move the tag across the phone's NFC spot to find the antenna sweet spot. Troubleshooting tip: if unreadable, confirm tag type.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.